Hi guys, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. I'm Emily Abraham and today we're going to be talking about these gorgeous little mini Evelyns. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us. I'm going to be talking about these bags, so let's get started. We've got 5 different mini Evelyns here. This is the mini Evelyne, it's called the Evelyne 16, and these are made from 2 different leathers that we've got here today. There are other leathers that you can very rarely get your hands on, but we've got 2 leathers. So the 2 leathers that we have here today that we're lucky enough to have are Tourillion Clements and Tourillion Maurice. And the Maurice is one that is more firm and is more structured. So first up, I'm going to show you this mini Evelyne in Cassis. Now, Cassis is a very dark greyish purple, which comes from the Cassis flower. As you can see there, it's quite a rich colour and it's very beautiful with the gold hardware. This particular bag is in Tourillion Clements, which means that the leather is very soft and supple. Next up is this Noir Mini Evelyne, and this is in Tourillion Clements as well, and this time it's offset with palladium hardware, which is quite a fun and youthful colour combination. This again is Tourillion Clements, which is again a soft leather that is malleable. Now to a beautiful bright hue. This is Blue Royale, and as you can see, this is very eye-catching. Actually, Royal Blue, Blue Royale, is my most favourite blue colour. It's very much of a statement piece. It definitely catches the eye of the passerby, and this bag is made in the Tourillion Clements, and it's offset this time with gold hardware, which is actually a very beautiful colour combination. Next up, we have this lovely Mauve Sylvestre, and I'm just going to bring it a little bit closer to you so that you can see. This really is a beautiful, cool pink shade, and it has the lovely palladium hardware. Again, this is in Tourillion Clements. These bags are very sought after in these pretty colours. Last up, I've saved this gold on gold mini Evelyne. Now, this particular bag is my favourite of the 5, and the reason for that is because this is a very classic and very hard to get hold of colourway. Gold on gold is renowned for being difficult to get. Quite often you will find that gold and palladium hardware is on the market, but gold on gold is very, very hard. Now this is the different bag. This is made from Tourillion Maurice, and this is the bag that will stand up more rigid than the Clements bags. So why would anybody buy a mini Evelyne? Now the reason for that, there's many reasons actually for that. So the first reason, in my opinion, would be the price point. So this is a great introductory level bag for someone who wants to wear Hermes but doesn't want to spend an absolute fortune. You can pick up one of these for around the same price that you would pick up a Chanel Wok, and actually you can fit a lot more in it. And these bags are very sporty. They look great crossbody, which is actually safer to wear than on the shoulder, because it's a lot harder to pull somebody's crossbody bag off than it is a shoulder bag. You may ask, what can you fit in it? That's another reason why these bags are so popular and great for daytime wear. You can fit in the largest model iPhones. I've got an iPhone 13 Pro Max and it fits in perfectly. I can fit my keys, a lipstick, a small wallet, and a couple of other little bits and bobs. On the secondary market, you would be able to pick up a bag like this, dependent on colour, for around £3,000. They may go up to about 3,600, 3,700 at the very, very top end. But if you're looking at the more casual colours that aren't the gold on gold, you may be able to pick them up between £2,800 and £3,000. The current boutique retail price for these bags is between £1,200 and £1,300. Thank you so much for joining us here at Love Luxury today. All of these bags are available to purchase in our Knightsbridge store. You don't have to have an appointment to pop down. You can come by anytime. We're open from 10 until 6. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.